we just got this. And this is like an old-timey shaver, right? Here's a QR code that tells you how to use it, in case you kids out there have never used a razor like this. Let's go ahead and get her out of the box, right? Ooh, look at this. Nice presentation. Ah, there we are. Take a look. This is how it comes in the box. And we get blades with it. We get 5 of them. 5 of the old-timey blades. There's a QR code that you can hit on there. And yeah, oh, we got to put it together, look. There's the, oh, it's nice. It's all steel. Oh, wow. All right, so it comes with these 2 pieces. And you got to put the, you got to put the blade in it. And it screws in like this. See that? So the blade will be in there, and then I think we're going to get a pretty good shave. Now, to get your blade in, you've got to unscrew this, right? You have to set that down. You take this shell off the top. You see that? You set the blade in there, and then you're going to put this back on like that. So I'm going to have to show you guys in a little bit how that's going to work. Just hang on just a second. All right, so we've got to get our blades out of here. And it shows that it's got this little cut thing here, but that, I don't know, that doesn't seem to be working. I'm just going to have to rip this thing open. Oh, look, they're all packaged so you don't cut yourself. All right, let's set that over there. Let's put that in the garbage. All right, so here's the blades. Check them out. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so what we've got to do is, first of all, we got to undo this. Okay, that's undone. Set that there. Pop this off. Set that like that. And then we got to get our blade out. So they're in these little packages, and they're they bend. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So here's our blade. If I can get it out of here. This is the hardest part, is just getting it out of here. And check it out. Look at this. That is your old-timey blade. And you can see it's very flexible. So I'm thinking the best way to do this would be to set it with the name forward. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter which way you put it. Like that. Then I'm going to set this on top. Like that. So now you can see the blades right there. And then all we've got to do is screw her in. I'm going to hold it on the sides and give it a little tight squeeze. And that's it, man. Now we are ready to shave, okay? And you can see the blade here. And I think it's probably pretty sharp, so be careful. There you are. There you have it. Old school razor. Get them right here on Amazon.